So I ordered this from Shop on TV on ITV1 just the other night. It's a mattress cleaner, but it can also be used on pillows and sofas and also on seats in the car if you've got a long enough power lead, of course. It's 300 watts and it's a UV sterilizer as well, and it's got a HEPA filter. It's got a UV lamp and it can eliminate dust mites and bacteria and other allergens. So let's put it to the test and see just how much it can clean from my mattress. Now, this thing's got quite a long lead on it. It's about 4 meters long. So for most people's bedrooms, you should be able to get round the entire bed. So all of that came off of my mattress. Also gave my pillow a going over and my electric blanket as well. So, yuck.